Not again, you say to yourself in frustration. Why can't I stop blank? You've wasted money, you've wasted time trying to stop a bad habit, and the self-loathing is eating away at your confidence. I understand. And last Sunday and Monday, I had very different experiences, and it was all because of one choice. Welcome, I'm Sheri Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. Well, I did not enjoy my eating on Sunday by my choice. I had a healthy salad, but it was between church and a friend's after-church wedding, and I allowed myself to feel pressured and stressed and rushed eating my salad out of this plastic container, standing at that table, hunched over, shoveling it in, distracted. Sound familiar? And that meant that whole afternoon I was rushed and pressured and distracted. It started a spiral of not feeling great about how I was living in my rhythm. In a word, it was yuck. Monday, I was not going to repeat that chaos. So for breakfast, at the table, china for my oatmeal, and lunch and dinner at the table, china, sitting properly. What a difference it makes to mindfully eat, to focus, to not rush, and then be able to have more energy and be more productive in a relaxed way the rest of the day without the chaos. One choice has multiple results. Remember Newton's third law from school? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. In the world of your habits, every action has multiplied and amplified reactions. Pay attention to that domino effect because it's real. Think about the last time that you ate dinner in front of the TV, ended up watching more TV than you had expected, you ate more than expected, and then because you were staying up doing that, you didn't sleep as well, and then because of the sleep loss the next day, your appetite was increased. All because of one action, one trigger. When you think about a bad habit that you want to break, and I encourage you right now, think about what is a bad habit you want to break. I don't want you to focus on that bad habit. I want you to think about the trigger that happens, the action that happens before that bad habit. I had two triggers before my rushed Sunday eating. One was external, one was internal. External, I didn't have a plate to put my salad on, just a simple little wooden picnic plate. I know that doesn't sound like very much of a difference, but eating out of that plastic container just lent itself to shoveling much more than a proper plate would. The internal trigger was telling myself, I have only got 10 minutes, and literally it was, I think, 12 minutes. I've only got 10 minutes to eat all of this. Instead of telling myself, eat what you can in a relaxed way, you're not going to starve, you'll have enough to tide you over until after the wedding, and then you can finish your lunch then. So an external trigger or an internal trigger can set you up. What sets you up to eat ice cream every night before bed? What comes first? You plan to work out, but you somehow end up sitting on the sofa for the evening. What comes first? What step leads to sitting on the sofa for the evening? When you make these subtle but powerful shifts into breaking your bad habits and forming some good ones, be prepared because you're also going to find the people around you wondering what's going on. So the spouse that you used to sit on the sofa with for the entire evening and not go work out, you probably are going to need to have a conversation about, here's how I'm going to be changing my habits. Here's the bad habit that I'm leaving and the shifts that I'm making. Stop losing ground and wasting time and wasting energy and wasting money on forming the same habits over and over and over again. It is time to try a different approach. What habit are you wanting to break? Let me know in the comments. Let's get some discussion going around this, and make sure that you are tuning in next week, because I'm going to use this same approach, this same domino effect, this same my version of Newton's third law in the world of habits, and help you to form some positive habits. Until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.